very happy to announce that Indian National Congress and Goa Forward Party have entered into an alliance for the forthcoming Goa Assembly elections. After Sri Vijay Sardesai met our leader Sri Rahul Gandhi ji in Delhi and expressed his support to the Congress party and to Sri Rahul Gandhi, and said that he wants to work with us to defeat the communal corrupt Bharatiya Janata Party government in Goa and to bring about a change in Goa. And Sri Rahul Gandhi ji spoke to Sri Vijay Sardesai and welcomed his support. In that meeting, Chidambaram Kamal ji and myself and Sri Chidambaram ji were there. And subsequently, after coming back to Goa, there were more interactions between us, the state leadership, our PCC president and other leaders. And we have ironed out whatever small issues that were there. And we are looking for a new beginning. Whatever has happened in the past, has happened in the past. In politics, always there is scope for mutual trust and confidence in each other. So that in our discussions we have had with Goa Forward, we have established that. And today, after having all those discussions, I am very happy to say that we have been able to coordinate many issues, sort out many issues. What should be in our manifesto, what should be in our program, how we should campaign. Many of the discussions have also been discussed today also. So we will be going to the elections together, and I expect that this alliance, along with many other people also who are going to be joining the Congress, there are many people also very much interested in joining the Congress. We will be taking them also along in the future. But I am sure that in this election, the people have decided to reject the BJP, and if they want a stable formulation in the state, they want a government which works for the people, which can deliver Goa justice, which can deliver Goa development, and bring about good governance in Goa. It is only this alliance that can do it, the Congress party and the alliance with Goa Forward that can do this. So I think this new beginning that we are having with Goa Forward will lead us onto that path. So I am very happy, and I want to welcome our PCC President Shri Girish Chodankar, Shri Vijay Sardesai, Goa Forward President, our Leader of Opposition Shri Chidambaram Kamal, our Working President Shri Alex Sequeira, Mr. Ramakant Khalap, and the leaders of Goa Forward Party who are also present here, and our campaign, our election strategy, all that we have been doing in good coordination with each other, and I am very confident of getting a good result. So I will also request Vijay Sardesai to say a few words.
And a ruling party in Goa, which is in the politics of acquisitions and takeovers, which is poisoning democracy. And there is a need to start a new liberation movement, to re-liberate Goa from this corrupt, criminal, Bhrashtachari, Balatkari Bharatiya Janata Party. Now for that, there is a need for all like-minded people to team up. This has always been my view. I have been talking about Team Goa. I think this is that Team Goa. And we will re-liberate Goa, give Goans justice. And I am sure that what began at the residence of Mr. Rahul Gandhi has now culminated here on a very auspicious day. On a day as Datta Jayanti. So it's a very good, auspicious day. On this day, we are going to usher in change. We will see to it that people who are jumping the fence. The entire public of Goa is against this government. But elected representatives are surprisingly joining this unpopular party. Now why is this? This is only happening because of the dadagiri of the center. That there is a government at the center which can just take you at gunpoint, which does acquisitions, which does takeovers. Now we will defeat these forces. We want to show the people of Goa that Goans are smart, Goans are socio-politically conscious, and Goans will find a way to this type of politics, which is poisoning democracy. This is only for the sake of, this is holding the entire democracy hostage to one political party. And we will defeat this dadagiri. And we are sure that even political strategists who are of the view that any dispensation or any alternative to this corrupt, communal, balatkari, bhrashtachari BJP cannot be done without the Congress as the principal opposition party. This is not only my view, this is the view of Prashant Kishore today in the Financial Express Bureau. He says that there cannot be an alternative to the BJP without the Congress. And that Rahul Gandhi can become the Prime Minister. This is what he is saying. So this turnaround is welcome. But I think this is a revelation, not to maybe to others, but to us it was the fact that we were aware of. He has treated us well, he has received us well. We have gone on a dictum that bygones be bygones. We don't want to discuss the past. We want to look at a bright future, and we are sure we will achieve it.
आप देख रहे हैं सक्षम न्यूज इंडिया, सबसे पहले सबसे तेज।